Rosealee block. Yeah. You don't know if I talk, say, yeah, come around with your stinking mouth. Shibby, are you coming to DC? Which part DC there? After me know which part DC, the lady asked me if I come to DC. Them always use DC for doctor. Move your nastiness, you know. I will Rosealee tell you about me. But if I not come a doc, then you see a DC, when I say the acronym, DC, I always say, lady, don't make a class, you're nastiness. I will disrespect you. Our class, yo. Oh, I came here this nasty came here while I want to be go all over here. Say, oh, Washington DC, then O double in it. O double in it. Washington DC. Double in it. The DC alone you ask me. When you coming to Bahama. Lady, I don't know which part you live in. Lady, I don't know where you live. Cause someone live in the capture things place. What the place name of capture things? Nicoman. Where the place name of capture things? Where swallow up things? Bermuda Triangle. And so nobody run them joke with my man, but when me are coming to Bahama. You know, since some other people on this now have no manners and discipline. One have no manners and discipline, some other people on this. Wanna talk to me anyhow. I know say me in my church. Wanna know me in my church and wanna talk to me anyhow. Wanna talk to me like how Rosealee eat. Chaka. And I really don't like it.
You really coming out quick?
Yeah, man.
I really don't. Where is the grandbaby? Them outside, my love. I'm not joking on the eye. People remember to check out the show of Florida. The Florida flyers not come out yet. The things that not come out of Florida yet. However, it is coming shortly. Let me just remind you guys about Connecticut. For those who are living in Connecticut, you'll have 50 cents for me. But I just want to tell you guys that, you know, things are blooming, things are looking positive. And from things that look positive, you know, you can get your tickets. You know, we have early VIP, VVIP. I mean, I don't know why so much VIP depend this. I mean, I trust them VIP, yeah. I mean, I know who you have. General seat $55, VIP seat $60. And you have early bird tickets, 50 available only online. You understand me? I mean, I understand how much VIP tickets you have to go buy, so I'm going to get on a VIP limited. And people, let me just say this to you. You see, if the tickets them done because the seat them sold out, when don't come to me and don't attack me. Remember, say Jamaica me there. Me there Jamaica.